Hi, I'm Emily, and in this Tapestry video tutorial I'm going to talk you through how to renew your Tapestry account or make payment for a pending invoice. There are a couple of different ways you can do this. If you've received an invoice via email, if you aren't a manager but have the invoice number, and if you are a manager on your Tapestry account. And I'm going to go through all three different ways in this tutorial. Just a note before we get started on this video, if you're intending on making payment for an invoice by BACS, please make sure that you include your invoice number in the payment reference, that you send a remittance advice to bacs@eyfs.info, and that you also allow for 5 to 7 working days for the invoice to be processed on our end. So now that we've covered that, let's get started. The first way that I'm going to show you to make payment for an invoice is if you've received an email with the invoice. So now I'm just going to open up my email. If you've been expecting to receive an email about an invoice and you haven't done so, do remember to check your spam or junk folders for the email, as sometimes they do get filtered into there. Once you have the email, you just need to click on the View, Download or Pay this invoice button that's within the email. Once you do this, you'll be taken to a page where you can see your actual invoice. So at the top, you can see your invoice number, the address on the account, our address, the date that the invoice was created, and the status of it. You can also see what's included in the invoice and the overall total. If you scroll down, you can see that there are the options to share a link to this invoice. So if you need to send this to your finance manager, finance team, whoever it is, you can click on that button and send them the link. You can also click on the link to pay, which I'll do in a second, but I'm just going to show you the other options first. You can also download a PDF copy of the invoice, and if you have any questions about it, just click on the Contact Us button to drop us an email. So now I'm going to click on the Pay button. Once you do that, you'll see that there are 3 different options of how to pay: by card, by cheque, or by bank. If you choose the option by cheque or bank, then when you do that, you'll see you get instructions of who to send it to, all of our details that you should need. But what I'll do now is I'll go back to the pay page so I can show you how you do this by card. So now I'm going to click to pay by credit or debit card. Once you do that, you'll see that you're taken to another page. Here you just need to enter your card details and then press Pay Now. If there are any issues with this, at the bottom you can see your invoice number and instructions on how to contact us. Do remember to include your invoice number if you do need to contact us, as it just makes it a lot easier for us in the support team to help you. So that's how to pay if you've received an email about an invoice. Next, I'm going to talk you through how to make payment if you're not a manager on Tapestry, but you do have the invoice number. If you're not a manager on Tapestry, but you do have the invoice number, to make payment for this or download a copy of the invoice, you just need to go to pay.tapestryjournal.com on any web browser. You'll then be taken to this page. If you scroll down, here you can input your invoice number and your postcode so you can access a copy of this. Once you've entered your invoice number and postcode, just click Find Invoice. Now you'll be taken to exactly the same page as before, so you can see a full copy of your invoice, and you also have the options to share, pay, download, or contact us. The payment options are exactly the same as before, so you can make payment by credit or debit card, and you also have the options to pay by bank transfer or cheque. Now I'm going to move on and show you the last way to arrange payment for an invoice, which is if you're a manager on Tapestry. So with this, the first thing that you'll need to do is log into your Tapestry account from the browser version at tapestryjournal.com. Once you've done this, click on your name in the top right hand corner and select Control Panel from the drop down. When you do this, you'll be taken straight to the overview page on the control panel. You'll need to stay on this page and in the Your Subscription box, click on the button View and Pay Your Invoices. You're then taken to a page where you can see all of your invoices. You can download copies of paid invoices by clicking on the Details button or see pending invoices in full. And if you want to make payment, just click on the Pay Now button. On this page again, you'll get the options to pay by credit or debit card, cheque or bank transfer. So in this video, we've covered how to pay an invoice if you've received an email about it, if you're not a manager but you have the invoice number, and if you're a manager on Tapestry. If you have any questions about an invoice you have, please do get in touch with us by emailing customer.service@eyfs.info, and do include your invoice number if you can.